Hi, my name is Lila. I'm from Kitty Charm School, and I'm a Kitty Charm School worshiper. And I'm here with Pia, who wants to get a good look at the camera. And Linus is above in the skybox, but he doesn't seem to want to come down, so I'm just spending some time with Pia, and she is so happy. She goes around in circles and circles. So literally, one moment she's in front of me, the next she's behind me. I'm like, Pia, where are you? She's just being super energetic. When I came in, she was at the door. She was like, come in, give me love. And look at her. She is purring. Can you hear her purr? I can hear her purr. She's purring and being super sweet. So, Pia's doing great, and Linus is doing great too. He's just sort of chilling. He's like, yeah, I trust you. You hang out with my bra. You hang out with my gal, and then I'll be up here in the skybox. So, I bet Linus is doing great. He looked happy when I came in, didn't he? So, that's the end of Kitty Mail. Kitty Mail, say bye, Pia. Kitty Mail.